Welcome, here I've got CAT S52 and I'm gonna show you how to change photo resolution in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the left corner, and when we do it we get access to the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the picture settings here, and as you can see here we can pick rear picture size, so this is the back camera, and we can pick from the quality connected with the ratios. So 4:3 ratio is with 12 megapixels, also with 5 megapixels, so this is how it changes here, and also 4:3 is connected with 2 megapixels here. Of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible, which is 12, and we have also here access to the other ratio, which is 16:9, and this is connected with 8 megapixels and 2 megapixels and also 1 megapixel. So of course I suggest you also keep this on the 8 megapixels, which is the best one here. And let's go back to the camera preview. So this is how it looks like, and this is how it changes. When I tap on this again and go back to the 4:3, also the camera preview here changes. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.